Hi, I'm Jaden.
Hi, I'm Reagan.
And welcome
Trojans!
We wanted to let you know about an exciting new program at Schoolcraft College.
It's called Middle School Career Exploration, and guess what?
You are all invited. That's right, you'll be joining us on campus for a half day of hands-on, fun-filled adventure in our occupational programs.
First up, you'll travel to our world-class public safety training complex. The PSTC is a premier training site for Michigan's finest police officers, security personnel, emergency medical technicians, and firefighters.
Next up, do the rounds with the healthcare professionals as they take you on a tour of our state-of-the-art simulation lab, ambulance simulator, simulated clinical training facilities, and more.
Like working with your hands? Then join us at our newest facility, the MEC, our Manufacturing and Engineering Center. You'll get a first-hand look at our CAD, manufacturing, welding, metallurgy, electronics, and robotics program.
But wait, we're not done yet. Who doesn't like money? Come along and learn how you can make some serious dough in business and information technology, where you'll learn about the latest and greatest in IT and what it takes to make it to the top in business.
Did you say dough, Jaden?
Why, yes.
Well, then they won't want to miss our renowned Culinary Arts program, where they will witness the creative genius of world-class chefs and learn that there's more to the food industry than a fork and a healthy appetite.
But we are going to feed them, right?
Of course! Participating students and their parents will join us for a reflection bakery on Schoolcraft's main campus.
So what are we waiting for?
Them!
So come on board and let's get started on your journey of career exploration with Schoolcraft College.